Alright guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at the Chemical Guys foam gun. So, for use with a garden hose, they might have one for use with a power washer, but this is just the garden hose edition. So first off in the box, we get kind of a standard sprayer nozzle, filter in the bottom, green here, little thing you can go like this with. It's all plastic. It seems pretty durable. There's a label on here, TORQ, so it's not really there branded. This is a quick release, and this comes off so you can put other attachments on the end too. Pretty standard stuff. I don't know if this hooks to hang it from somewhere. It's very rubbery though. Interesting. Grip feels good overall. This kind of has some texture to it. So kind of grippy, but pretty much a standard hose. Here is your sprayer, the top. This actually goes really nice. I've tried out a couple other ones, and this trigger doesn't really do too much. So it'll be interesting to see if this is of higher quality. Basically the same thing, and then you get like a spray, and you get like a straight. I don't know if you can see that, but straight and spray. Those are kind of two options. I don't know, nothing changes in here. Again, with the TORQ logo on it, both sides and on the top here. So it must be in conjunction with that. It says what's included. And directions, pretty self-explanatory. It's also on the side of the box here. All your instructions. But it works like your basic foam gun. This thing goes into here, attaches in here. Stick this in here. Push that in, so that'll pull from here. Has a little bit of a filtering thing in there. Can you see that? A little bit of filtering. This pretty much looks like a Nalgene bottle. Actually, I have one right here with the exact same size as a Nalgene bottle. You could probably take this and drink out of it. It's a 1. I wouldn't do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 34 ounce. This is a 34 ounce bottle. Kind of nice. It's got this handle right here. When you're filling it, you can hold the handle right here, which is kind of a nice touch. And then it has this style of connection for the nozzle. There's two different kinds of quick connects. There's one with like a rubber gasket here, and then there's this style. So this would hook on the end right here. Drop this into here. Give it a spin. Hook your gun up. And you're good to go. And your really only adjustment is this, and you get this knob here. So we'll see how it goes. If you stand it up, it falls over just like all of them. Someone's got to come up with a better design for that. But other than that, really like that it has a filter. And it's super clear. It's really nice. You can see through it. It's got their logo on it right there. So let's take this out. I'll do a car wash, and we'll check it out. See how good this thing is. Sorry about all the wind noise, guys, but today we're doing the Chemical Guys cleaner. We're gonna test this one out. This is the handle that it comes with, but I already have this one on my hose. It's pretty much the exact same thing. This one's probably more comfortable, but it's gonna do the same job. Get it hooked up. Hooking it up is super easy. I'm gonna start off on 0 with a spray pattern, and then we'll move it to line, and I'll click it up a couple more times. Right here. Okay. This isn't all the way tight. The factory. Zero isn't doing anything. 1, we're getting some foam. 2, we're getting a lot more foam. 3 is good. 4 is awesome. It's almost blowing bubbles. So at 5, it's almost blowing bubbles. That's pretty funny. Let's put it on the spray pattern and see what that looks like. Yeah, I mean, that gets it. It's pretty impressive. Pretty impressed with the chemical guys. The foam is insane and it just sits on there, which is crazy. I've got another little trick. Get an adapter, regular nose nozzle, and then you stick it on here. And now you've got yourself a little gun. So yeah, guys, my rating for this chemical guy is 10 out of 10 product. I don't know why you wouldn't buy it. This speeds up car washes by like 90%. I don't know. It's crazy. And almost too much foam in this thing. So yeah, hope that was awesome. Hope you learned something. The other thing I really wanted to say about this one that I like, filter on the bottom, which you can't see right now, but these little handles to hold it while you're filling it up makes it really, really nice. So yeah, definitely check out the chemical guys. It's awesome.